Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's make some healthy dosa. Today I'm here to share a green gram dosa recipe. Green gram is rich in nutrients and it controls blood sugar levels. These green gram dosas are very tasty and there is no need for any fermentation. I'm sure this is the best choice. For the recipe I'm adding 1/3 cup of tur dal and the same quantity of green gram, urad dal, white rice or dosa rice, and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek. Add water and wash it well. Wash it 3 or 4 times until the water gets clear. Soak it overnight or 5 to 6 hours. It soaked well. Now I am transferring this to a grinder. Then add curry leaves, 2 pods of garlic, 2 small pieces of ginger, coriander leaves, red chili whole, and salt to taste. Now we can add sufficient water to the grinder. I'm now closing the lid and grinding well. Grind as a smooth batter. The batter is ready. This is the consistency of our batter and I'm transferring it to a bowl. And no need to ferment this batter. We can prepare this dosas very quickly and this is a time to heat up the tawa. And I'm adding a little bit of batter to make dosa and spreading it around. Now the batter dries and I'm adding some oil. Here I'm adding coconut oil. You can add ghee also. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe and don't forget to enable the bell icon to get new videos. Do like and share it with your loved ones. Now it's almost ready to eat and transfer to a plate. I prepared one more dosa and it's a healthy and crispy dosa recipe. If you love this recipe, do like and share it with your loved ones. Thanks for watching.